Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2021 Kia Sportage EX all-wheel drive. This is a fantastic find with just over 65,000 kilometers. It's a no accident history vehicle and it has a ton of service history as well. The EX is a very popular trim level. You're going to see why after watching this video. Now let's get right into this with what is underneath the hood. The Sportage features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, really good on fuel, 6-speed automatic transmission, and of course, it's all-wheel drive. Now, as you can see from the side profile, this is a great size SUV, a little bit smaller, still lots of room for 5 passengers and cargo in the trunk. You may be looking at this for yourself and your family, or this is also a really great car for your kid's first vehicle. It's all-wheel drive, it's a little bit bigger, it's not going to cost mom and dad a lot of money on fuel. Either way, whatever reason you're looking at it, fantastic choice. Now, the Sportage EX features these really great looking 18-inch alloy wheels. Love the gunmetallic paint. Love the fact that it matches the exterior paint as well, and there's Michelin tires on there. The all-wheel drive badge in the fender, and then the side view mirrors have LED turn signals as well. Now, up top, we have these piano black roof rails. You can put some crossbars on there if you want to put bikes, kayaks, things on the roof. That's no problem. Go ahead and do that. And then around the back, love the tail lights on the Sportage, that chrome piece that comes all the way across the back. And then taking a step back, you can see the full trunk. Here's our EX badge. And now let's pop open the trunk. And here you can see there is a ton of cargo space. So whether it's kids' activities, maybe they're going up to the dorm for the first time, or you're headed to Costco to get 60 rolls of toilet paper, lots of room back there, as you can see. Let's go around the passenger side so you can see all 4 corners of the Sportage, just so you can get a great look at it right from the couch in your house. And now around to the front, love the headlights on the Sportage. Got this really cool design on them, as you can see here. We've got the LED daytime running lights, great looking headlights, and we also have fog lights down below with that nice piano black trim on there. Now, stepping back here so you can have a full look at the front. Love the grille on the Sportage too. This older style grille really looks sharp. And look at this nice metallic paint. So much flake in there. Okay, let's go take a look on the inside. We'll start off with the back seats and then we'll work our way up to the front. Now, opening the door, have a look. There is lots of room back here. We've got the seats moved almost all the way back to show you. There's still lots of leg room. We've got the nice cloth interior, a big center armrest as well. We've got rear ventilation on the inside, and this is a non-smoker vehicle. Smells fantastic inside of here as well. And you can see there's a 12-volt port down there too, in case you want to plug in something and charge up. Now, let's go take a look at the front seats. All right, so moving inside here, really nice seats again, no rips, tears, stains, or burns. Let's pop open this massive panoramic sunroof. I mean, this is a huge piece of glass. We have a power driver's seat with power lumbar support as well. And here you can see, look at how nice that opens up. That'll be real nice, especially now that we're moving into finally a spring season. All right, let's hop inside, take a look at what we've got in the interior here. All right, so taking a look around, really nicely designed interior. Everything's well thought out and laid out really, really nicely. Now let's talk about safety features. The Sportage comes with a great list: forward emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot warning in the side view mirrors, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, automatic headlights, and more. Now we've got the Ontario Must, a heated leather wrapped steering wheel up front, cruise control on the wheels, radio controls on the wheels, the menu control as well. And then check out the odometer, 65,177 kilometers. Unreal, really great K. 11.1 fuel economy average. We can get that into the 8-liter per 100-kilometer range. And the way you do that is by using the drive mode selection. You can see that right here. So you push this and you can go to the eco mode there. There's normal, eco, sport, and eco mode is the best way to get that fuel economy down. And you're going to love how inexpensive on fuel this is. All right, let's take a look at the infotainment system. So first off, you can see Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So plug in, you get all the access to your digital music and everything else. That's exactly what you're looking for. We've also got a really nice, clear rear view camera. You can see that here. makes backing up nice and simple. Now, moving down from that, we've got the radio controls, we've got the heating and air conditioning controls, and then 3-stage heated front seats, our heated steering wheel. It's all there for, unfortunately, the wintertime. Now, my favorite feature, the wireless charging pad. Drop your phone on there, starts to charge. We've also got some USB ports here too, if you want to plug in. And then we've got the drive mode selection, like I said, the all-wheel drive lock button, and then the electronic parking brake with auto hold. That's a great feature, especially if you're in stop-and-go traffic a lot. Love that feature. Push button start here on the dash, and then now we can review our Carfax and the reconditioning. So here is our Carfax report. You can see this here, no accident history, 14 service records. So you can check out all the previous maintenance on the Carfax when you come into the store to take it out for a drive. Now, here's what we're doing at Clarington Kia to get this vehicle ready for you. So we're replacing the front brake pads and rotors, new brakes on the front, replacing the rear pads and rotors, and machining the rotors. And then we've got a little bit of differential work, really easy stuff, a new engine air filter, new cabin air filter, oil change, new front wipers. I mean, this is going to be right back up to spec. So that way, when you take it home, it's nice and clear, smooth sailing for you. So now what you should do is avoid disappointment. Come down here to Clarington Kia right away so you can jump behind the wheel of this incredible 2021 Sportage EX. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you at Clarington Kia.